What's up, YouTube? Back in the garage fiddling with the car since I got voluntold to be laid off. So I got plenty of time to dick with the car now, but no money to do it. So as you remember in the other video, this is the Falcon, and I had headlights, aftermarket ones, glass lens. I'm going to give it a try, see how they actually look in the car. I'm running those DDM LED lights. Nice little ballast. I mean, had them on the Bug. It worked really good. I'm putting them on here. So, steps to replacing your headlight. Remove trim. Turns out the car's all aluminum, or at least the trim is. So I can hit it up with some mag. So, not sponsored by DDM or Mothers, but I use their stuff. So, there's the bezel, there's the light, and the aluminum's looking a little dingy. So I probably will hit it up with the Mothers. You know, I did this side a little bit by hand, and it's coming out pretty good. I mean, there's a reflection now. It's not just like frosted. So I will be installing said headlight in said vehicle. So let's cut to some slow boring footage of me using a Phillips screwdriver. So since this car is longer than the last car, the garage is much, much tighter. So these, I think I just gotta loosen them. I saw one bezel. Yeah, this one bezel screw. Nice little screw. Getting there. Yep, there's one more on the bottom. Now, what do you know? There's actually 3 in total. I guess you could half trim this. The thing comes off. Oh, look at that. Learn something new every day. It's been a while since I actually had real glass light bulbs, like solid, like this. Try not to break it. I'm plugging it. Success. So to make life easier, let's throw that one screw I took out real quick. Looks like I might have enough room in the bucket, or I might have to take a hole saw to it. So I put these guys in there for now, at least see how it fits. And then later I might hook up the halo. So this is a plug and play kit. Just plug this right in. And then hopefully be able to tuck everything else out of the way. Will it fit? Well, might have to take the bucket out after all. Of course, there's a spring that goes right into the back of it. Oh, no. That fits without the ballast in there, so I gotta angle this so the ballast and the plugs are all out of my way. Then I could go up there, I guess. This is top. Oh, would you look at that? Let's get the ring up here for fun. Fall off. And then we could throw the trim on. I get a screw for that. Screw and screwdrivers. I'm always misplacing everything. Let's do that silly screwdriver. Watch, it's in the camera view, but not in mine. Alright, well, we'll just grab another screwdriver right now. Over the halo lights, I'll deal with them in a minute. Let's connect the battery. Yep, let's pause you for a second. Alright, so let's reconnect the battery. Let's see how the lights look. That's not too terrible. Let's take a look at the rest of the car. So here's the LED light. And come on, get in there. There's the T2 light. So for fun, got yellow light, and then we got white light. Definitely looks like that other housing focuses the light a little better. Let's turn all the light off. So it's definitely a whiter light compared to the yellow light. Let's stand in front of this one. I mean, it's aimed, it's just all over the place. And here's those underdash lights I was talking about. Got a bunch of parts on order, so I got a lot of stuff taken apart. Ew, it's so dark, can't see. Try to edit that out later. So here's the original bulb. And one dirty grill. Here's our new looking bulb. Not too sure if I like it or not. But I did have these LEDs in the Bug, and they were much brighter than a Bug. But then again, this So, for shits and giggles, I am just going to hook it up to a 12-volt battery. Because I don't feel like trying to pull the harness out. There's a little board, and a couple drinks, allegedly. You know, because just like for B is for Build, truly makes you happy. Not sponsored. So since I got a whole stash of these 4 amp 12 volt batteries, might as well take some advantage of it. So let's get some tape here. So as you can tell, I am trying to do this not so permanent, just in case I don't like these housings. I mean, they were okay in the Bug, because the Bug had, you know, the outer glass on it. This was pre-60 whatever. There's our halo. Let's put the battery on the floor. Let's go kill some lights, see how that looks. Definitely interesting. Does it get brighter with the headlights? Get you off your mount. There's a little halo action. Let's turn on my 5,000 watts worth of lights. So there's the halo. That actually may not look too bad driving around. So guys, in the comments, tell me, do you like the lights? Should I get something different? I do like those LED bulbs though. So like, subscribe, share, and hope you like the new project and what's going on with it. So once I figure out the suspension, then we'll work on this motor, or putting a different motor in there. So take care, be safe.